In recent years, the demand for wood furniture and decor pieces has surged as consumers increasingly seek sustainable, aesthetically pleasing, and durable home furnishings. This trend presents a significant opportunity for entrepreneurs and craftspeople to tap into a lucrative market by creating unique wood products that cater to various tastes and preferences. By unlocking big profits through innovative designs, quality craftsmanship, and effective marketing strategies, individuals can establish a successful business in the wood furniture and decor sector. Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you unlock big profit with these wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the first steps in capitalizing on this opportunity is to identify the types of wood furniture and decor pieces that are currently trending. For instance, rustic and farmhouse styles have gained immense popularity, characterized by their natural finishes, reclaimed wood elements, and a warm, inviting aesthetic. Creating pieces that embody these styles can attract a wide range of customers looking to enhance their living spaces with charming, timeless designs. Items such as farmhouse tables, reclaimed wood benches, and rustic shelving units can be particularly appealing to homeowners seeking to create a cozy atmosphere in their homes. Another trend that has emerged in recent years is the minimalist aesthetic. This design philosophy emphasizes simplicity, functionality, and clean lines, making it ideal for modern living spaces. Entrepreneurs can create sleek, minimalist furniture pieces using high-quality hardwoods such as maple, walnut, or oak. Items like simple coffee tables, streamlined desks, and elegant side tables can resonate well with consumers who appreciate understated elegance. By focusing on quality craftsmanship and thoughtful design, businesses can position themselves as providers of premium wood furniture that meets the needs of discerning customers. In addition to traditional furniture pieces, there is also a growing market for unique wood decor items that can enhance any room's ambience. Wall art made from reclaimed wood, intricate wooden sculptures, and decorative trays can all serve as eye-catching focal points in a home. By experimenting with different techniques such as wood burning, carving, or painting, artisans can create one-of-a-kind pieces that stand out in the marketplace. This creativity not only adds value to the products but also allows for higher pricing due to their uniqueness. Moreover, the rise of eco-conscious consumers has led to an increased interest in sustainable wood products. Entrepreneurs can capitalize on this trend by sourcing materials from responsibly managed forests or utilizing reclaimed wood from old buildings or furniture. By emphasizing sustainability in marketing efforts and product descriptions, businesses can appeal to environmentally aware customers who are willing to invest in high-quality, eco-friendly products. Highlighting the story behind each piece, such as where the wood was sourced or how it was repurposed, can further engage customers and enhance their emotional connection to the product. Another avenue for unlocking profits in this industry is through customization. Many consumers are looking for personalized items that reflect their individual style and preferences. Offering custom furniture options, such as tailored dimensions, finishes, or engravings, can set a business apart from competitors and attract clients willing to pay a premium for bespoke products. Additionally, providing a range of choices for finishes and colors allows customers to create pieces that seamlessly fit into their existing decor. Online platforms have revolutionized the way consumers shop for furniture and decor items. Establishing an online presence through an e-commerce website or social media channels can significantly expand a business's reach. High-quality photography showcasing the beauty of wood pieces is essential for attracting potential buyers. Lifestyle images that demonstrate how the products can be integrated into various home settings will help customers envision them in their own spaces. Engaging content such as blog posts or videos about woodworking techniques, maintenance tips, or design inspiration can also help build a loyal following and encourage repeat business. Participating in local craft fairs, markets, or home shows can provide valuable opportunities for entrepreneurs to showcase their wood furniture and decor pieces directly to potential customers. These events allow artisans to interact with shoppers, receive feedback on their products, and build relationships with other vendors. Networking within the local community can lead to collaborations or partnerships that further enhance visibility and sales potential. Additionally, considering wholesale opportunities can be a strategic move for those looking to scale their business quickly. Establishing relationships with local retailers or boutiques that align with the brand's aesthetic can open up new revenue streams. Providing retailers with unique products that they cannot find elsewhere will make them more likely to stock those items in their stores. Offering attractive wholesale pricing while maintaining healthy profit margins is key to building successful partnerships. As trends continue to evolve in the realm of home decor, staying informed about emerging styles and consumer preferences is essential for long-term success. Regularly conducting market research and monitoring social media trends can provide insights into what customers are seeking. Adapting product offerings based on these findings will ensure that a business remains relevant and competitive. Incorporating technology into the production process can also enhance efficiency and precision in crafting wood furniture and decor pieces. Utilizing tools such as CNC machines or laser cutters allows artisans to create intricate designs with greater accuracy than traditional methods alone. This not only improves product quality, but also enables businesses to scale production without sacrificing craftsmanship. Moreover, investing in marketing strategies that leverage digital platforms can significantly boost visibility and sales. Utilizing social media advertising, search engine optimization, SEO, and email marketing campaigns can help reach targeted audiences effectively. Collaborating with influencers or home decor bloggers can also amplify brand awareness and drive traffic to an online store. Customer service plays a crucial role in building a loyal customer base. Providing exceptional support throughout the purchasing process, whether through prompt responses to inquiries or assistance with product selection, can foster positive experiences that lead to repeat business. Encouraging customer feedback and reviews can also provide valuable insights for improvement while establishing credibility within the marketplace. As businesses grow and evolve, diversifying product offerings can help sustain interest among existing customers while attracting new ones. Exploring complementary products such as wooden kitchenware, cutting boards, or home accessories can create additional revenue streams without straying too far from the core business focus. This approach allows customers to engage with the brand across multiple touchpoints while enhancing their overall experience. In conclusion, unlocking big profits through wood furniture and decor pieces requires a combination of creativity, quality craftsmanship, effective marketing strategies, and responsiveness to consumer trends. By tapping into popular styles such as rustic or minimalist designs, emphasizing sustainability, offering customization options, and leveraging online platforms for visibility, entrepreneurs can carve out a successful niche within this thriving market. With dedication and innovation, the potential for profitability in the wood furniture and decor industry is vast, providing both financial rewards and personal fulfillment for those passionate about woodworking and design. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.